Good morning. I just wanted to do a quick video, and as you can tell by the title, that this is a special gift and a special thank you. And I'm going to do this really quick because I don't want to cry. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, I can do it. Maybe. If y'all saw Deborah's video on showing the two, one drawing and a diamond art of Bandit. Well, Rob, I don't know that I'm going to be able to do this. Rob, thank you, because he also commissioned the artist to do a picture of Bandit for me. And it's really special. Let me show you the picture of Bandit. The drawing, I don't think it's paint, but I think it's just a pencil. I'm not really even sure. But let me show you. It is a beautiful picture of Bandit, and it's really special because the artist took the picture of me and Bandit. I didn't think it was going to be this hard. Anyway, let me show you. And there's the picture of Sweet Bandit. And the artist took this picture from a picture of me and Bandit, me holding him. And here's that picture. And I just love it so much. So thank you, Rob. That was the most beautiful gift. And I'm going to get mine framed. I'm going to take the picture. And I think I'm going to put the picture down here and then frame it. Or I could put the picture over here and frame it. But I'm going to frame it with the picture of me and Bandit. So I'm going to print that out and frame it. And anyway, Rob, thank you so much. You know, we love that little baby boy.